Good day, welcome back. So make sure you subscribe if you have not done that yet. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. I will put the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting here for our New York session on GBP JPY. So let's start with our trade first. This is the range market move. If you followed my weekly analysis on GBP JPY, I told you clearly that GBP JPY will push up till it taps this resistance. If you have not watched it, you can go back to the channel to watch it and confirm if it's actually true. So those of you that did, you can see that we've gotten that bullish move and it has tapped our resistance. And I also told you guys that on that previous analysis that once it taps the resistance, we should expect that drop. And this is exactly what it's doing. So it is giving us that drop. So now take a look at it. We've gotten two rejection. One, two. With this movement, we should be expecting one more drop. There's possibility that it's likely to push up again to give us three rejection. If it pushes again, then we should get the third rejection and drop. So whatever thing you would want to be doing on GBP JPY, you should be looking for a sell